The all-new 2025 Chandler Touring Car is here, and it's ready to change the game. Designed for drivers who crave power, precision, and unmatched luxury, this machine takes grand touring to a whole new level. From the moment you lay eyes on it, the bold and aggressive design commands attention. A striking front grille, sleek aerodynamic lines, and futuristic LED lighting create a road presence that is both intimidating and elegant. Every detail has been fine-tuned to enhance both style and performance. Under the hood, Chandler offers two incredible powertrains. The standard model comes equipped with a 3.5-liter twin-turbocharged V6 that delivers an impressive 420 horsepower, perfect for effortless acceleration and smooth highway cruising. But for those who demand more, the high-performance edition features a monstrous 4.2-liter twin-turbo V8, producing an astonishing 580 horsepower. Paired with an electronically controlled all-wheel drive system, this beast grips the road with precision, ensuring every ounce of power is transferred exactly where you need it. Inside, the Chandler Touring Car is a masterpiece of modern automotive luxury. Premium leather, real carbon fiber accents, and soft-touch materials create an environment that is both refined and driver-focused. The 15-inch curved infotainment display seamlessly integrates navigation, media, and vehicle controls, while the advanced AI-powered driving assistant learns your habits to optimize performance and comfort. A fully digital instrument cluster provides real-time performance metrics, ensuring you always stay informed while enjoying the road ahead. But this car isn't just about straight-line speed. The lightweight aluminum chassis, adaptive air suspension, and rear-wheel steering give the Chandler Touring Car razor-sharp handling, allowing it to carve through corners with precision and stability. Whether you're pushing it to the limit on a winding road or enjoying a smooth highway ride, this car adapts effortlessly to every driving situation. For those looking to blend performance with efficiency, Chandler introduces an innovative hybrid variant. Featuring a plug-in electric boost system, this model offers an additional 120 miles of electric-only range while enhancing acceleration and fuel efficiency. Sustainability meets speed in a way that few grand tourers have ever achieved. Safety is also a top priority. The Chandler Touring Car comes equipped with a next-generation driver assistance suite, featuring adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, automatic emergency braking, and a full 360-degree sensor system. Whether you're navigating city traffic or cruising on the open highway, advanced technology keeps you safe at every turn. The 2025 Chandler Touring Car isn't just another luxury sports sedan, it's a revolution in grand touring. With breathtaking performance, cutting-edge technology, and an uncompromising commitment to luxury, this is the car that redefines what a grand tourer should be. Are you ready to take the wheel and experience the future of performance? This has been Auto World. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the 2025 Chandler Touring Car, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more in-depth looks at the world's most exciting cars. Stay tuned, and we'll see you on the road.